Hi guys, welcome to the Detroit Foot Pain Wart Home Remedies Guide. My personal preference is I like to try duct tape and then salicylic acid and apple cider vinegar, all which are things available very cheap or already at home. The reason I like duct tape best and I think it should be the first thing tried is because the JAMA Journal, which is the leading medical journal, stated that they did an experiment in 2 months. Warts disappeared in 80% of kids. So there are some studies behind it. It's painless, it's cheap, there's no downsides. And since the wart's covered, it's not going to spread anywhere. What do you have to lose? You just apply alcohol, dry out the wart, put some tape on there. In 6 days, scrape it off a little bit. Boom, you're in good shape. Use a pumice stone, not to pain, and repeat it as directed. Full guide on DetroitFootPain.com. Next thing, salicylic acid. This is the official first line medical treatment. The reason I didn't put it first is because you actually have to go out and buy it at a Walgreens or CVS, but it's usually under 20 bucks. Many studies and first line. Vinegar, same thing. This isn't as well studied, but the principles behind it are very similar to salicylic acid. The only downsides, like salicylic acid, is if you get it outside of the wart on the skin, it could irritate you a little bit, but it's still cheap and not the most studied, but lots of people swear by it. Just apply both of these at night, put a bandage or some duct tape on it. Your skin will peel off a little bit, shouldn't hurt, and then you just scrape that skin off and repeat until the wart's gone. Considerations though, when using all of these methods, avoid putting the salicylic acid or the vinegar on your skin. Just put it on the wart, otherwise it could irritate the skin. The flakes are viral, so be sure not to catch it on your hands or anything you're touching. Spray anything that wart touched with Lysol, and try this for up to 2 to 3 months, even though most of these will work in a couple weeks.
Do not try any of this at home alone without supervision. This is presented by Michigan Foot Doctors. If you think our information helped you, give us a thumbs up and come visit the site for even more.